Hey, it's Josh from Better Living Through Amazon, and I'm here with Mia and Ezra, my assistants, to open one of the biggest boxes we've ever got from Amazon. It's giant. It's like the size. There could be a small horse in there. Ezra, lay on top of the box to show how big the box is. Ezra's almost 8. And that's how big the box is. So, all right, Mia, you take the knife and open the box. You take the knife and open the box.
Stab it right here and then cut it. No, it's not good. Huge box. Do you think there's food inside it?
I'm not sure. There's a lot of stuff in it, obviously, but this is about the time of the month where we get our subscribe and save order, so there could be a lot of things. We subscribe to a couple of dozen things that just come automatically, and then probably at least that many more one-off things come every month. So we shall see.
I have an idea what will be in it. Wow! Box! What's in a box?
Oh, okay. Sorry. Let's pull this out. This is paper towels, I think. Here, help me lift it out.
Obviously.
Help me lift it out. This is yes. Oh.
Holy cow!
Anyway, paper towels. All right.
4, 6,
What else?
and 12. Can I open this one, Dad?
Let's take it out and see what it is. And toilet paper. What's it all? Oh, and nicotine gum.
Yeah.
And toilet paper. Toilet paper, nicotine gum, and paper towels is all that was in there.
Yeah.
Real.
Please, I thought there was going to be more exciting stuff.
Me too. Oh well. Until next time. See you later from Better Living Through Amazon.
Bye.
Bye.